Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to hide people to message from appearing at the top of the search section on Telegram for PC, according to its latest update. If you use Telegram regularly, you've probably noticed that the app sometimes shows your most frequently messaged contacts right at the top when you use the search feature. While this might be convenient for quick access, not everyone likes that level of visibility, especially if you prefer to keep your conversations private or simply want a cleaner search layout. So let's go through the simple steps to fix that. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is loaded, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. That's the main menu button. Click on it to open the side menu. From the list that appears, select Settings. This is where you can customize Telegram to better fit your preferences. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security, and click on it. This area controls who sees your activity, what information the app displays, and how Telegram manages your data. Now scroll down until you find the option called Suggest Frequent Contacts. When this setting is enabled, Telegram automatically places the people you message the most right at the top of your search area. To stop that, simply toggle this option off. Disabling it will make Telegram stop suggesting frequent contacts, helping keep your search screen more neutral and private. Once you've made that change, click Save to confirm your updated privacy setting. That's it. Your adjustment is complete. From now on, Telegram will no longer highlight your most contacted people in the search section.